So I got this really cool guest video from two young women who built my transforming A-frame cabin from my plans. Those are located down below in the description. Check out my most recent book, Micro Living, also down below as well. And a lot of people don't know, but I have another channel on YouTube called Streets Shall Provide. And check me out through Instagram at Deke Diedrichson Art. Quick backstory, and this one was visiting a friend I hadn't seen in like 25 years in Connecticut. And we went to this wildlife animal preserve. The place was just amazing. And lo and behold, there were not one, but two tiny houses on the property. I had a very short amount of time to capture this. But for the heck of it, it ain't Spielberg-like. Here's one of the houses we saw. You might grab some ideas from it. It was pretty cool. Check it.
All about the windows. This place just smells awesome, like natural wood. Look at this bed nook. Desk to work at. How's it hook up? Oh, look, that's clever. So that comes across and holds it on the air here.
Can you hold it?
Yep. That is some clever sliding dowel storage for the ladder. Great kitchen setup, huge window. This one's so nice, it's open and airy. Butcher block, probably repurposed counters. Again, that stove. So cool. What's the Cuarto de Baño look like? Composting toilet. Pine.
Is anybody?
Where's strange?
Me. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that, looking down the gun through the hallway. So cool. Here's the reverse view. $1 million view on this sanctuary, East Haddam. This like beaver dam pond / swamp area, although the water is very unclouded and there's not algae growing everywhere, so maybe it's naturally that way or they're doing something to help it along. And what a great spot to just hang out and do work. With that view, I'd probably get no work done. Ooh. Tons and tons of closet space. Well, not tons, but more than I would have thought.